Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. I am the Rupa, the English teacher. Now I am going to teach you the English. So last class you are all learned many things. Is it right children? Yes. You learned alphabet, words, sentences, some lessons. All you watched in offline classes and I hope you all learned. And this year you have to learn more. Let me see. I'll teach many words to you. Even I will teach alphabet, I'll teach words, and I'll teach the sentences. I had to read everything. Okay, students, let me start the class. See, in English, first you can learn words. Why? Because you already learned in the last class many words, alphabets, sentences. Now I am giving you a recall. Here I am showing some action words. Look at that pictures and I'll pronounce that word. You also seem you can pronounce. Standing. What the boy is doing in the first picture? Standing. What is the spelling of the standing? Standing. Standing. Next, look at another picture. What he is doing? He is sitting. He is sitting on the floor. See the spelling of the sitting. 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 You can also repeat same as. Walking. The next picture. What he is doing? He is walking. Walking spelling what? Walking. Walking. Next, look at here. What is he doing? He is kicking a ball. He is kicking a ball. What is kicking spelling? Kicking. You can also repeat how I am telling. The next picture, he is running. He is running. What is the spelling of the running? Running. Running. And the next picture, what this boy doing? This boy is playing. The child is playing. What he is playing? He is playing with some cubes. Okay. Playing spelling Playing. Playing. Here see next picture. What she is doing? She is reading a book. She is reading a book. What is the spelling of the reading? Tell me. Reading. Reading. Next. See, this boy is catching a ball. This boy catching a ball. Catching. What is the spelling of the catching? Catching. Catching. And the next picture, what she is doing? She is skipping. She is skipping. You can also tell when you are doing these actions: skipping, standing, running, playing, reading, walking. These are all words you can use when you are doing this action. Now almost all when you are watching this video, you are watching or you are sitting. Is it right? Tell me the spelling of the skipping. skipping. Next, throwing. What is he doing? He is throwing a ball. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ he is throwing a ball. Throwing. What is the spelling of the throwing? THROWING. Throwing. And the next picture, jumping. What she is doing? She is jumping. And tell me the spelling of the jumping. JUMPING, jumping. And here see in the next picture what she is doing. She is swimming with a dog. She is swimming with a dog. What is the spelling of the swimming? SWIMMING, swimming. See, these are all the action words. When you are doing these actions, you should say, when you are standing, you should say, I am standing, I am sitting, I am walking, I am kicking a ball, I am running, I am playing, I am reading a book, I am catching a ball, I am skipping, I am throwing, I am jumping, I am swimming with a dog. You can practice these words. Next, I'll teach some good habits, children. So every day you have to adapt in your routine. See, every day morning you have to wake up early. At what time? Now you are very free, no? So now also you can get up early to the bed. You know the rhyme, no? Early to the bed and early to the rise, to make same man healthy, wealthy, wise. So when you go to the bed early, when you get up early in the morning, makes our body healthy and strong. So you have to get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock or within 7 o'clock. Then after wake up, what you want to do? You can do some exercise, or you can do brushing. But every day you can do the exercise. What you want to do? To do the exercise. Already in school, PT sir teach, you know. So some exercises, warm up activities you can do. Then after, you can brush your teeth twice a day, 2 times, even morning when you got up. So on that time you have to do the brush, and after when you go to the bed, before sleeping, you have to do the brush. Why? Because whatever we are eating, any snacks, food, anything, day activities full, we are eating, drinking, is it no? So many germs that will sit on your teeth, tongue. So when you brush your teeth, so it could be healthy. Understand, children? Then you should bath every day. You should bath every day with the soap and water, and you can comb every day. What is this action? Combing, here bathing, brushing, exercise, wake up. Okay. Then eating. When you are eating, so you should sit straightly. Then with a clean hands. See, look at here, washing hands. When we should wash the hands? Before the eating and after the eating. Before and after eating, and after the using the toilet. So you must wash your hands. And this, in pandemic situation of the COVID, you must take care of washing your hands with a soap or sanitizer to use. Why? Because why should we wash our hands frequently? Because it provides to spread the germs. If we touch anything, the germs will come to our hand. So, when we eat from with a germs hand, what will happen? The germs will go to in our body and it will makes us sick. Is it right? So, that's why we must wash our hands before and after eating and using after the toilet. Then read every day at least 10 to 8 to 10 hours you must read. From the reading you will make a good personality and you will become a good person. Understand children? So you must read well. Then sleeping. So sleeping, early you can go to the bed and you can sleep. At 10 o'clock or before the 10 you must go to the sleep. So with that, drinking, I forgot to tell the drinking. So drinking is also one of the good habit. At least you have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of the water every day. This is very good for our body. So these are the good habits. These are all good habits you can adopt in your daily life. Okay children, I hope you are understand. And next I will teach alphabet. So this one I think you are all forgot alphabet. So I will remember you. This alphabet A to Z, the capital letters and the small letters also, you can touch in the 4 lines I have already written. So same as you can copy into your books. Now tell me these letters are B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the alphabet 26 letters. You must read these and write in your 4 lines book and practice 2 times. This is today's class. On next class, I'll come with a new topic children. Bye.